Okay, so I'm going to do two examples of two-step inequalities. And all this means is we have to do 2 steps before it's solved. It's the same as solving two-step normal linear equations. It's just we're not dealing with an equal sign now, we're dealing with an inequality symbol. So let's start with the one that's not attached to the x, reverse order of operation. So we're going to subtract 7 from both sides to get rid of that. So now we have negative 2x is less than 23 minus 7, which is 16. Alright, now we have to get rid of this negative 2 here by dividing it by negative 2 and dividing the other side by negative 2. So now we have x all by itself, but what we did was we divided by a negative number. That means we flip this sign. Now it's facing this way. 16 divided by negative 2 is negative 8. So there's our answer. And if we were to put that on a number line, we had this number line. We had 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, and negative 8. X is greater than negative 8, but not equal to, so we're not going to color it in. But it's on this side. Okay, so that's really messily graphed because I wanted you to be able to see it. Alright, I'll do another one. 9 minus 4d is greater than or equal to negative 3. So we're going to get rid of this 9 by subtracting it, because it is a positive 9. So that's gone. Minus 9. So we have negative 4d is greater than or equal to negative 3 minus 9, which is negative 12. Now we're going to divide both sides by negative 4. So we have d, and then we have our symbol, but we divided by a negative number. So we're changing the sign of this. This was a negative 12. Now it's going to be a positive number. So we have to flip this sign. We change the sign of this side. We have to change this sign. So we have negative 12 over negative 4, which is 3. D is less than or equal to 3. So we can graph that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just doing this really messy because I think you guys, that's a negative, know what I'm doing here. D is less than or equal to 3, so we put a solid dot there because it's or equal to. And less than means it goes this direction. Really messy, but you know what I'm doing.